When we talk about organic poultry farming, many farmers seems don't even understand what we mean by organic. Or when we talk about probiotic or natural poultry farming, many farmers don't even know what we mean by natural poultry farming. It's a means of rearing your poultry and livestock animals in a natural way, in a God-given way, without any form of chemical, without any form of synthetic medication. In this particular video, I want to explain what organic poultry farming means to a layman's understanding. Please, if after this explanation you didn't understand what organic poultry farming or probiotic poultry or livestock farming means, it means you need to come to my home so that I will sit you, face you, and teach you. Organic farming or organic livestock or poultry farming refers to the raising of poultry and livestock using natural methods and materials that avoid synthetic chemicals such as pesticides, antibiotics, and artificial growth hormones. In organic farming, animals are fed organic feed, which is grown without the use of synthetic fertilizers or genetically modified organisms, GMOs. They focus on maintaining a healthy and natural conditions with access to outdoor space, fresh air, and sunlight. Most of the organic substances are herbs, roots, plant leaves, plant stems, and rest of them. In organic poultry farming, for example, chickens are often raised in environments where they can move freely, forage for natural food, and live in a way that they mimic their natural behaviors. Their diet includes organic grains, vegetables, and other natural feed sources, and they are treated with natural remedies if they fell ill, rather than relying on conventional antibiotics. Most of the natural remedies we are talking about here is these plants like ginger, garlic, scent leaf, neem, and rest of them. All these big names in antibiotics is completely ruled out in organic poultry farming. Now, when you talk about probiotic poultry and livestock farming, probiotic in poultry and livestock farming refers to the use of life beneficial organisms. You can see the difference between organic and probiotics. Probiotics in poultry and livestock farming refers to the use of life beneficial microorganisms like bacteria and yeast in the animal's diet to improve their health and well-being. These good bacteria help to maintain a healthy balance of microorganisms in the animal digestive systems, which can boost their immune system, improve digestion, and at the same time enhance overall growth and productivity. In probiotic farming, animals are given probiotic supplements mixed into their feed or water. Can be used to prevent harmful bacteria from taking over the digestive system, reduce the need for antibiotics, and promote better nutrient absorptions. For poultry, probiotics can lead to healthier birds, better egg production, and at the same time improve overall growth rate and productivity of your poultry and livestock animals. How does it work? In organic farming, the emphasis is on creating a natural and sustainable environment for the animals. This means using organic feed, providing ample space and natural living for your poultry and livestock animals. When you are preparing organic feed, you don't need any synthetic additive at all. In fact, that feed can even be consumed by human beings because you are using natural and complete out of synthetic ingredients. There is no chemical, there is no addictive synthetic substance. This idea is to raise animals in a way that is closer to how they would live in nature, which can lead to healthier animals and better quality meat, eggs, and dairy products. Probiotics, on the other hand, works by improving the gut health of the animals, just like humans. A healthy gut is crucial for overall health. By adding probiotics to their diet, farmers can ensure that the animals have a strong and balanced gut microbes, which can lead to better digestion, stronger immune system, and at the same time, better egg and meat quality and higher productivity. You can see that there's a great difference between organic, probiotic, and synthetic farming. In this particular video, we're going to dive deep into the powerful benefits of organic and probiotic solutions for poultry. Many poultry farmers face challenges with birth weight, growth, and egg production, often due to poor feed quality, stress, or disease. Organic and probiotic supplements have gained attention for their potential to restore and enhance poultry health, poultry production, and poultry vitality. Please join me in this particular content. Let's explore how these natural solutions can positively impact your flock and boost their overall performance. Let me give you only 15 points to back off the claim that probiotics and organic poultry farming has positive impact on poultry and livestock. 1. They enhance gut health. Probiotics improve gut flora balance, leading to better nutrient absorption and digestion. Probiotics increase weight gain in poultry and livestock. Organic supplements can support optimal growth rate by providing essential nutrients. Improve egg production. If you're a poultry farmer or you're into laying birds, probiotics can help restore and boost egg production by promoting better overall health, and at the same time, the quantity and quality of egg your poultry drops per day. Better feed conversion. Probiotics and organic farming provides a very good improved feed conversion ratio compared to synthetic farming. Reduce mortality rates. Probiotics enhance immunity. From probiotics, at the same time, it can lead to lower mortality rate in poultry. Organic additives can help reduce stress and improve overall birds' welfare. Probiotics and organic farming can boost and support the immune system and making your birds more resistant to diseases and infections, and enhance the health and nutrition well-being of your poultry. The better nutrition will exhibit a very good improved feather quality and at the same time body structure. Probiotics also enhance livestock productivity. Similar benefits have been observed in livestock, including better growth rate and production in your poultry and livestock animals. It lowers veterinary costs. Healthy pets reduce needs for medication or veterinary interventions. If you are using probiotics, you hardly consult experts to come and watch or monitor your poultry birds. Just like the natural birds in most of our villages that walk on their own, feed on their own, feed on grass, feed on plant, feed on soils. I don't know how many times you have consulted your veterinarian, go and monitor them in the bush. This is what probiotics can do, because these animals have all they need to live healthy in these plants. Probiotics has natural growth enhancer. Organic supplements often include natural growth enhancers that support overall development. Reduce feed waste. In organic and probiotic farming, there is a very total and gross reduction in feed waste, because most of these additives, most of these organic supplements, most of these organic extracts has very nice aroma that are very good attractants to the poultry and livestock animals for them to consume almost all the feed you give to them instead of scattering them. It reduces and balances their nutritional profile. Organic supplements provide a balanced profile of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that is needed for the overall growth and performance of your poultry and livestock animals. Better egg quality, most especially for laying birds and those into parent stocking. Probiotics can enhance the quality of eggs, including shell strength and yolk color. If you are using probiotics, you will discover that egg yolks have different colors. You see light yellow and you see deep yellow and other colors also. Sustainable farming practices using organic and probiotic solutions support environmental friendly and sustainable farming practices. If you are into probiotics or into organic farming, I check you, you are doing great. You are doing well. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Now, how do you apply these probiotics and organics into poultry and livestock? Incorporate them into their feed. Mix probiotics and organic supplements in the feed to ensure consistent intake. Please, you need to mix them thoroughly so that no part of the feed is neglected. Take your time to mix these ingredients, to mix these additives, to make sure that they get the right reaction. Follow the producer's guideline. Adhere to recommended dosage and application method provided by the supplement producer or manufacturer. Regular monitoring is very important. Track the health and productivity of your poultry and livestock animals to assess effectiveness of the supplement in their body. Adjust diet. Complement probiotics with a well-balanced diet to minimize waste and at the same time maximize the benefit. For the fact that you are using probiotics or organic supplement does not mean you don't need to feed your poultry or livestock animals. You need to give them the adequate ration and follow up with the probiotics or natural additives or substance. What age of poultry birds or livestock needs this most? Poultry from chicks to laying hens. Probiotics are particularly beneficial during growth phase and period of stress. You can start from day 1 till maturity, till slaughter, and till laying period. So it has no age limit. Livestock, young animals during growth phase and mature animals facing stress or dietary challenges or changes can at the same time benefit from probiotics significantly. So it doesn't matter the age. What is the dosage? Most of the probiotic manufacturers or producers always give you the label. So on the label you get the dosage. But here, follow the specific dosage instruction provided with the probiotics organic supplement manufacturers. Generally, there is dosage of 1 to 2 grams per kilogram of feed. For livestock, dosage varies on the type of livestock and the supplement. Please, you need to consult the label of the veterinarian or the producer of that particular probiotics. Don't do it yourself. Check the label. Each of the probiotics have their own label. Incorporating organic and probiotic solutions into your poultry and livestock management can have transformative effects on weight gain and egg production. By enhancing gut health, boosting the immune system, and improving feed efficiency, this natural supplement offers a holistic approach to optimizing poultry and livestock performance. Ensure you follow the recommended dosage and application methods to achieve the best results. With consistent use, you can expect healthier animals, improved productivity, and a more successful farming operations. I thank you for watching this video till the end. Please give it a thumbs up if you find this video very interesting and educative, and at the same time make sure you share this video to reach more farmers, most especially those that are still looking for a way or looking for the knowledge on how to apply or how to start organic and probiotic livestock and poultry farming. Now, before I go, let me refresh your memory. Organic farming focuses on natural and sustainable practices, while probiotic farming enhances the animal's health through the inside out by promoting a healthy gut. Both approaches aim to improve the well-being of the animals, leading to better quality products and more sustainable farming practices. When we are talking about animals here, both poultry, that is feathered birds, and four-legged animals, they are all classified under animals. So if you are a poultry farmer, are you into livestock farming? Are you into fish farming? Chicken, goat, sheep, cow, ram, rabbit, guinea, all of them, they are under poultry and livestock. You can go into full-scale organic or probiotics without any issue, and your birds will live healthy, and at the same time reduces the cost of medication and increases your profitability. Thank you. Till I come your way with another interesting topic, don't go far. They are loading very soon. Bye for now.